Hey everyone, welcome to the Palouse. We are at the Palouse Falls and we thought, we meaning my husband and my dog Leia, our dog Leia, and the Palouse Falls. And we'll take you down to the Palouse Falls in a bit. But I thought I would show you the photomobile. So up there is the awning that we just got, and I'm so stoked about it. And then my husband's gonna hold this for me as I work on it. But this right there is a way to boost our signal for internet. So I'm gonna show you around and show you the awning first, and then we'll work on the rest. So it's simple, supposedly. It opens all the way up. This is going to be so cool. I can do this, anybody can do this. And I know I didn't put on my microphone, so I hope you can all hear me. I wasn't thinking. I was excited because I want to get down and see the waterfall. We're here at sunset. And then down this one. And Eureka, it's up. We have tie downs to keep it from blowing away, but it's supposed to handle 15-mile-an-hour winds, so, but it'll keep me dry. So granted that we're out in the Palouse in the middle of eastern Washington, but just wanted to show you what this was all about. So I'm not being sponsored at all, so welcome to the sneak peek behind the scenes of the photomobile, and in 2 or 3 days we're leaving. So thank you for tuning in and stay tuned. I'll show you the falls here in a few minutes. See you in a minute. Bye. Somebody's coming for a photo shoot.
Yep.
But the falls are kind of just tucked in the middle of nowhere. I'm going to get set up and take some pictures, so I just wanted to give you a sneak peek about what this is all about. But I'm going to pan around so you can see, because this is right at sunset, so enjoy the view. here pretty quick, so I don't really want to leave because it's so beautiful here, but don't want to be in somebody else's shot. So anyhow, so it's just me and my husband and our faithful dog hanging out today, and we bid you adieu until I take off in a couple days to go to the Oregon coast. I'm so excited. This is good.